What would happen if Red Bull literally gave you wings? Let's ignore the obvious question of how an energy drink suddenly develops the ability to sprout functional wings on human beings. We'll assume you drink a regular can of Red Bull, and the moment the caffeine hits your bloodstream, wings begin to emerge from your shoulder blades. From that point forward, we're dealing with basic anatomy and physics, and things get complicated fast. The wings appear over about 30 seconds. They're not tiny decorative things either. We're talking actual flight-capable wings with a wingspan of roughly 20 feet, which is what you'd need to get a 150-pound human off the ground. Your shoulder blades crack and reshape themselves to accommodate the new bone structure, and the pain is excruciating, like having your skeleton rebuilt from the inside out. But here's where the real problems start. Your body wasn't designed for this. Birds have hollow bones, massive chest muscles that make up 30% of their body weight, and hearts that beat 400 times per minute. You have none of these things. Your cardiovascular system, built for ground-based mammals, is now trying to power flight muscles that demand more energy than your body can possibly supply. The moment you try to flap these wings, your heart rate spikes to dangerous levels. Your chest muscles, suddenly asked to do work they were never evolved for, cramp up almost immediately. You manage maybe 3 wing beats before your body goes into cardiac stress. The wings are too heavy for your frame, throwing off your center of gravity and making it impossible to walk normally. And even if your body can handle it, the physics are working against you. Those 20-foot wings need clearance. You can't fit through doorways, can't get in cars, and definitely can't navigate your house without destroying everything. The wingspan required for human flight means you're essentially trapped outdoors. Assuming you somehow make it outside and your heart doesn't give out, you face another problem. You don't know how to fly. Birds spend weeks learning to coordinate thousands of tiny muscle movements. You have wings, but no flight software. Your first attempt to take off sends you tumbling face first into the pavement. If you do manage to get airborne, you're flying at about 25 miles per hour, the minimum speed needed to maintain lift with your body weight. But human reflexes aren't built for 3-dimensional movement at that speed. Can't judge distances, can't navigate obstacles, and have no instinct for landing. The Red Bull slogan says it gives you wings, but it doesn't mention the part about emergency surgery to remove them before they kill you.